Hi guys, it's me. I'm on Animal Jam. Happy Feet 96554, and yeah. I'm at a trading party of Sierras. If you watch my other video, you know what her name is. So, yeah. Trading and gifting, by the way. Okay, sorry. That was random. Hashtag YOLO out of nowhere. Yay. YOLO forever. Wait. Telling them I'm recording. Ooh. Sierra sent me a gift. Oh! A rare. Should I? Is Pandy there? Where's Pandicorn? Who? Here's... I'm recording. Yeah. Pandy. Are you there? Are you at the den?
No, I can't.
Hashtag YOLO besties. Pandicorn. Don, don, don.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Uzi. Call me happy. Pandicorn. Wait, what'd you say?
Put it on YouTube now.
I will soon. I want to see what else I get. Wait, what did I just get from Sierra? I forgot. Oh yeah, Versatile Trail shoes. Awesomeness. I'm gonna wear them. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm wearing my Versatile Trail shoes. Happy Edbo. Oh. They're trading. Okay. Pandy! Pandy. Are you at the den? I'm gonna cry. Not really good. Just kidding. Ah, you're supposed to gift me back. What do you want for my cupcake? I want pie for the cupcake cat. Pie is very valuable to me. No, it really is. Pie is very valuable. Do you see me, Pandy? I'm the guy with the burger hat. And okay, you see me again. Wow. Could you speak? Okay. So today's gift thing was like an amazing item. It was like the best item on Animal Jam. Just kidding. It was candy cane socks. Oh, I'm wearing them. Oh yeah, because I'm epic. I'm epic. I'm epic. But I need to tell him I'm recording. No, that's wrong. Do you know that ice garden? Do you see that ice garden, Pandy? Wait. Okay, so I guess we have to go. Have a nice day, jammers. And yeah. By the way, Pandy does not have a channel on YouTube. Not yet, at least. So, yeah. Bye, guys.